With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, today we have a question. The question is, if omega is a non-real complex cube root of unity and we are given that 5 plus 3 omega square minus 5 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3 plus 5 omega plus 3 minus 5 omega square whole to the power of 4n plus 3 plus 5 omega square plus 3 omega minus 5 whole to the power of 4n plus 3. Now it is given that this is equal to 0. Then we have to find the possible value of n such that the above given equation satisfies. Now what are we given? Let us write what are the forms that we are given here. We are given that 5 plus 3 omega square minus 5 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3 plus what is that other term we have? 5 omega plus 3 minus 5 omega square whole to the power of 4n plus 3 plus what is the other term we have? 5 omega square plus 3 omega minus 5 whole to the power of 4n plus 3. This is equal to 0. Now for this let us see what do we know about this omega. We know that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Yes, let us apply this on this wherever it is required. Let us see here what do we have. Here this is 5 plus 3 omega square minus 5 omega. Now let us take here 5 plus 3 omega square. What can we write this as? This we can write as 2 plus 3 plus 3 omega square. Yes. Then this is 2 plus, if we take 3 common, what do we get? 1 plus omega square. What is the value of 1 plus omega square? 1 plus omega square is nothing but if it goes on to the other side, we get 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega. Yes, can we substitute that here? Yes. That means we get 2 plus 3 into 1 plus omega square is 2 minus 3 into omega. Yes. Therefore, can we substitute this value back into here? Yes. Then what do we get this to be? We get this as 2 minus 3 omega minus 5 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3. Now let us see if we can do similar type of calculations in here. Now what can we do with this second one? In the second part, let us take 5 omega plus 3. Yes, what can we write our 5 omega plus 3 as? 5 omega plus, this can be written as 2 omega plus 3 omega plus 3. What can we write this as? This is 2 omega plus 3 into 1 plus omega. What is the value of 1 plus omega? 1 plus omega is minus omega square. Then this can be written as 2EW plus 3 into minus omega square. This is nothing but 2 omega minus 3 omega square. Can we substitute it here? Yes. If we substitute, what do we get? We get it as 5 plus 3 is 2 omega minus 3 omega square minus 5 omega square whole to the power of 4n plus 3. Let us do similar kind of simplification in this side. In this, what do we have here? Now can we take here our value to be? Now let us see our third term. Here for our third term, let us take 5 omega square plus 3 omega to be common. Then what do we get here? We get 2 omega square plus 3 omega square plus 3 omega square. Can we further simplify this? Yes. This is nothing but plus 3 into omega square plus omega. What is the value of omega square plus omega? This is minus 1. This is 2 omega square minus 3. Now let us substitute this. If we substitute, what do we get? We get 2 omega square minus 3 minus 5 whole to the power of 4n plus 3 is equal to 0 as given in our question. Now let us further simplify this. This is plus and this is plus. Now here can we write this as 2 minus 8 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3 plus what is this? This is nothing but 2 omega minus 8 omega square whole to the power of 4n plus 3. What is this? This is plus 2 omega square minus 8 whole to the power of 4n plus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, that means in here what do we get as our further problem? Let us see here in our question. If we take this to be equations, here in our problem after this step let us see let us write this as 2 minus 8 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3. And for this next term, can we take omega common? Yes, plus omega. What is it? Omega to the power of 4n plus 3 into 2 minus 8 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3. In this next term, let us take omega square common. If we take omega square common, what do we get? Omega square into 4n plus 3 into, for this term, 2 minus, what is the value of 8 by omega square? It is nothing but 8 into omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3 is equal to 0. Now let us further simplify this. If we can see here, we have for all the terms, we have 2 minus 8 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3 is common. Yes. Therefore, here we get 2 minus 8 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3 into 1 plus, this is nothing but, what is it? It is omega, 4 omega to the power of omega to the power of 4n plus 3. Plus, what do we get in this next term? This is plus omega to the power of 2 into 4n plus 3. Now, can we further simplify this? Is equal to 0. Yes, what can we say about our inner term here? This, we can say that 2 minus 8 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3. Now, here, what is omega to the power of 4n plus 3? Can we simplify this further? Yes, this is nothing but omega to the power of 4n into omega power 3. Now, what is this omega to the power of 4 whole to the power of n into omega to the power of 3? This is nothing but, what do we get here? Omega to the power of 4n is omega to the power of n. This is nothing but omega power n. Therefore, our internal term is 1 plus omega to the power of n plus, what is this? We have omega to the power of 8n plus omega to the power of 6. That means omega to the power of 8n into omega power 6. Now, what is this value can we say here? This is omega to the power of 8 whole to the power of n into omega power 6. This is nothing but omega power 2n. Therefore, this is our equation, plus omega power 2n is equal to 0. Yes. Now, can this term be 0? No. Yeah, because this is our 2 minus 8 omega whole to the power of 4n plus 3. Can this be 0? If for this to be 0, we have to get 2 equal to 8 omega, which is impossible. That means for this value to be 0, what do we get? This is equal to 0. Yes, that means what can we say here? 1 plus omega power n plus omega power 2n is equal to 0. Yes, this is our condition here. Now we have to find what are the possible value of n such that this value is 0. Now let us substitute our, here we don't have any options, right? Here this is the possible value of n is, for n we get 1 plus omega to the power of n plus omega to the power of 2n should be equal to 0. Our n should satisfy this term. This is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.